Ever feel like you were run over by a truck? Twice? And the truck driver stopped for coffee before backing up? Yeah, me too. That, my friends, is the feeling of being extremely tired. It's like your brain is a grumpy food critic, and everything in life is a soggy salad. We're talking low energy, zero motivation, and the overwhelming desire to become a hermit. But before you start growing a beard and talking to squirrels, let's figure out if this is just a case of the Mondays or something a little more serious. Spoiler alert: it might be burnout. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. We live in a world obsessed with productivity and hustle culture. It's like everyone's trying to win a marathon that never ends. And sometimes, we just need to pull over and ask for directions or maybe a nap. Burnout is like the annoying cousin of being tired. It's that feeling of being emotionally drained, like your soul just went through a spin cycle. It's not just about being physically tired. It's about feeling mentally and emotionally exhausted too. Think of it like this. Imagine your energy is a phone battery. Being tired is like being at 20%. Burnout? That's your phone straight up dying after you accidentally left it playing the Baby Shark song on repeat for 3 hours. How can you tell if you're just tired or actually burned out? Well, besides wanting to throw your phone, or maybe yourself, out the window, there are a few key signs. We're talking about constant exhaustion, lack of motivation, cynicism, difficulty concentrating, and feeling like a complete failure. So, what's the deal with all this burnout business? Why are we all running around like our hair's on fire? Well, imagine a giant game of pin the blame on the donkey, except the donkey is burnout, and everyone's blindfolded. It's a combination of things, really. Our always-on work culture, the pressure to be perfect on social media, the constant barrage of bad news. Seriously, turn off the news sometimes. And let's not forget good old-fashioned stress. It's like we're all trying to juggle flaming chainsaws while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. No wonder we're tired. But here's the thing. Burnout isn't a badge of honor. It's not a sign that you're working hard enough. It's a sign that something needs to change. And no, quitting your job and becoming a hermit crab isn't the only option, though it does sound tempting, right? Section 4. Extinguishing the flames. Tips for recovery. Recognize the signs of burnout? Congratulations! You've passed the first level. Now, reclaim your life. First, boundaries. Build a fortress around your time and energy. Learn to say no to draining tasks. Next, self-care. Prioritize your health. Get sleep. Eat veggies. Walk. Meditate. Do things that make you feel human. Finally, ask for help. Remember, you're not alone. Section 5. You got this. Maybe after a nap. Life is tough. It throws curveballs, and sometimes it feels like you're constantly playing catch-up. But you're stronger than you think. You've got this. Maybe after a nap and a strong cup of coffee. Burnout is like a small fire in your brain caused by modern life's pressures. You're capable of amazing things. Overcome burnout, reclaim your energy, and enjoy life again. Take care of yourself, set boundaries, and ask for help when needed.